Alright. Bye. It's your boy Mad Dog right here. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not recording you.
Come on, bring the camera. Yeah, nigga, it's your boy Mad Dog, YouTube.com, Stackberry Gaming, turn test money, you feel me? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Yeah, messed up. Hold on. What? We can just drive up. I know. I get a lot of haters. I don't care. They can make time and shit. I got stacks on this. I'm getting to the paper. And I say bye to the haters. And I say hi to the haters. I'm so fly. You just later. I get money. Today I'm stacking up all kinds of dope. I'm always in the club. That is your girl. Oh yeah, Lord Lockdown, yo. I'm crazy.
No, you made a remake on that.
Oh, word. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh. Oh, okay. I'm looking bright, diamond shining on my chain, now the nigga looking bright. Ain't no stacks in my pocket, so you see I'm on my grind, nigga. You come home, this nigga in your refrigerator, you be like, what the fuck? Hey, get out of here, nigga, I'm out there refrigerator.
My mom was like, you can save your money, that could have been you. Well, I've been mowing them out, but I haven't been getting it at all.
If I ain't getting no money, I ain't doing this shit, I'm just real talk.
Where's my money?
With my fucking gay ass.
He almost hit me when he was hitting, because he got off right before me. But the bus is so crowded, like in the morning, I didn't even have a seat. Because, you know, they're all big now. You can't sit through a seat.
Hell no, that shit.
all the way in the back when the girls
shit cramping. Yeah, I sit on the girl side any day.
It was all the way in the back. Yeah, what's his name? Sinessa, she was like, you know Sinessa, right?
You have a daughter?
Granddaughter. Yeah, hey, this is tough.
Hello?
Yeah, what's up? Hello, can you hear me?
Hello?
Are you going to take the long way?
Yeah, we can walk around. Shine around like a lamp. Fucking haters looking nervous when they see your face. Kissing faded when the face spinning. Everything is quiet nothing. My same way doing my thing and VIP status. Like a somebody mess with me again, I'ma snap on them, boy.